Do you have a dope social media dashboard inside your HubSpot hub? Do you wish that you could have an incredible social media dashboard for analytics and reporting that you could easily email to your team and focus on what you need to do with social media? Well, guess what? That's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video right here, right now. Hey, you know what time it is. That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com, aka Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about building a social media dashboard inside of HubSpot. We're going to talk about organic social, we're going to talk about social ads, we're going to talk about email, we're going to talk about embedding other reports, all sorts of great stuff. So hey, buckle in and let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. All right, so we're in HubSpot, and the first place we're going to go is reports and then dashboards. And we're going to actually create a new dashboard, and we're going to use the blank dashboard template. Now, if you haven't checked out all the dashboard templates, you definitely should do that. But in today's tutorial, we're going to use the blank dashboard. So we're going to call this one Social Media Analytics, and in this case I'm going to go ahead and set it to private, but again we could do private, everyone, or specific users and teams. And I'm going to go ahead and create the dashboard. Now this dashboard is not very exciting because there's not any information on it, but we're going to change that right now. We're going to go ahead and go to Marketing, and we're going to go to Social, and then we're going to go to the Analyze tab. Now on the Analyze tab, you're going to see that we can save reports. So we're going to go ahead and hit Save Report. We're going to add to an existing dashboard, and we're going to do Social Media Analytics, and we're going to save and add. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this to all the reports possible in the Analyze section. So let's go ahead and get to it. So as you see here, there's potentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 organic social reports that we can add from this. Now, I definitely wish that HubSpot would allow us to add some of these other ones, especially things like the YouTube overviews on the enterprise, or even some of these down here that get a little bit deeper. Top posts would be even amazing to have on a dashboard as well. But what we'll do is we'll go ahead and go Reports, Dashboards. We'll drop down to the Social Media Analytics, and you're going to see that I have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 potential reports for organic social sitting right here. That's great, but you know what? This can get more amazing when it comes to social media analytics, and that is the fact that we can simply go over here to Add Report, and we can go from the report library. Now over in the report library, what we can do is we can click on Ads, and that's going to filter down to 6 results here. But notice, add impressions by social network, add clicks by social network, ads attributed contacts by social network, ads attributed customers by social network, and of course the point here is social networks. So I have 4 reports that are social ads that I can add to this dashboard. So let's go ahead and get to it. And we'll go ahead and jump back to our dashboard. So now I'm sitting here with a social media dashboard, something that I didn't have minutes ago, where I can look at my organic traffic from social networks as well as any of the ads that I may be running. And of course, like any good dashboard, I'll be able to filter these out by date range, owners, teams, pipelines, tickets, anything that would make sense for filtering the social media dashboard. But why would I want to have this social media dashboard? Well, one of the number one reasons is being able to head up to the actions button and then being able to hit email this dashboard. So I can create a daily, weekly, or monthly report that automatically emails out to the social media team. The second reason that I might want to have this social media dashboard that we've created with the 6 organic and 4 paid ads reports is that I can also insert images, text, or video into this dashboard. So I could look at things that have happened in the past and create a video that helps the team understand what needs to happen in the future. I could use text, images, video to actually tell the story of the strategy that we want to complete in the next week, 30 days, 60, 90 days, it doesn't matter. It's all about being able to communicate on this dashboard with your team. And let's not forget, right underneath that insert image, text, and video is actually embed other reports, where you can simply add a title and then the embed source to put anything on this social media dashboard that you want. So quickly, you can go from not having any social media dashboard to having a super dope social media dashboard for your analytics and reporting purposes. So I have to ask, what are you going to add to your social media dashboard? What has this released in your brain? Make sure you let us know. Also, make sure you check out sprockettalk.com, where you can get other tutorials, other podcast episodes, other resources to help you grow smarter. Hey, and remember to be a happy, helpful, humble human and do some happy HubSpotting along the way. And I'll see you in the next video.